Here comes Booba. What magic trick will we see today?
Welcome, Booba, to my big magic show. Today, I'm going to show you a trick with a rope. Are you ready? So pay attention. Here I have a regular rope, which is in one piece. Now, I'm going to say the magic words. Abra, cadabra, sim, salabim, bim.
Unbelievable!
I broke the rope into 2 pieces.
How did she do that?
Look, Booba. And hop. The rope is whole again.
That's real magic.
Do you want me to reveal the secret of my trick, Booba?
Please.
Then I'll show you. Booba, the truth is that there's no magic at all. You just have to be quick with your hands. Pay attention. I do it like this. To hide the ends of the strings with my hands. And then I switch hands carefully. And when I do that, the audience doesn't realize there are 2 strings. They think I'm holding 1 string. Do you want to try this trick now, Booba? Get ready then.
Now it's Booba's turn to perform the magic trick.
Keep going, Booba. You can do it. I believe in you. Don't give up. You can do it. Don't give up, Booba. Don't worry. Don't be sad. I'll help you. Booba, you did it! You're a real magician. Booba, give me 5.
A spectacular trick. Here comes Booba. And what magic trick will we see today?
Welcome, Booba, to my big magic show! Today, I'm going to show you a trick with plates. Take a look! Here are some ordinary plates that we find in the kitchen. With my magic handkerchief, I will say the magic words. Simsalabim, simsalabim, hocus pocus, tra-la-la!
A button. How did he do that?
Did you like the trick, Booba? Do you want me to reveal the secret and show you how it's done?
Show us, please.
Here's the plate. And the secret is here at the bottom. See? I glued a little pocket for the button. And so when I tilt the plate, I reveal the button, which was hidden. Do you want to try the trick now?
Now it's Booba's turn to perform the magic trick.
Real plates. Don't worry, Booba, you can do it. Just remember what I taught you, right? Do you want me to help you, Booba? Abracadabra, abracadabra, hocus pocus, trulala!
Will it work this time? Well done, Booba.
Oh, yes, you did it, Booba!
That's amazing.
How did you do that? You're a real magician, Booba! Give me 5!
Another spectacular trick. Here comes Booba. I wonder what magic trick we'll see today.
Welcome, Booba, to my magic show. Today, I'll show you a brilliant trick. Are you ready? Watch closely. See this? It's just an ordinary glass. And this is an ordinary bottle of water. Yummy. Now watch. I pour a little water into the glass. And abra, cadabra, sim, salabim, bim. And watch. Look, the water isn't spilling.
That's real magic. How does she do that?
Do you want me to tell you a secret, Booba?
Yes, please.
Look, Booba, we take an empty glass, put a white sponge inside, then pour a little water, and nothing spills. Do you want to try to do the trick yourself? Go ahead, I'll sit there.
And now, it's Booba's turn to do the magic trick.
Oh. Wait, let me help you.
Slow down, Booba. Did you do it?
Hooray, Booba! You did it!
Wait, what's that sound?
Booba, what's in your glass? Let's take a look together.
Unbelievable!
It's ice! Booba, are you sure that was just water? High five, Booba!
What an amazing trick! Here comes Booba. I wonder what magic trick we'll see today. Oh, and here's his friend.
Welcome, Booba, to my magic show! Today, I'll show you a bottle trick. Look, this is an ordinary bottle. And now I'll say the magic words. Rizik pizik, kocharizik, hocus pocus, trulala!
Incredible! How did he do that?
Did you like it? Want me to tell you the secret behind it?
Yes, please.
Look, You bend this part, and I stick the cap here. When I tap it, the cap drops out. Did you like it, Booba? Want to try it yourself?
Now it's Booba's turn to do the magic trick.
It's really empty.
Booba looks like a real magician. But where's the cap?
Booba, don't get upset. Remember what I told you. You can do it.
Booba, try again. He did it! So many caps! Bravo, Booba!
Booba, how did you do that? That's real magic. You're a wizard. High five.
That was an amazing magic trick. Here comes Booba. I wonder what magic trick we'll see today.
Welcome, Booba, to my wonderful magic show. Today, I'm going to show you an unusual trick with a very ordinary cup. It's completely empty, see? Now, with a little magic. Crack, snack, sack, bam, bomb, boom! Watch this.
How exciting!
Pretty cool, right?
Oh, how did she do that?
Do you want to know the secret?
Oh, do tell.
Then look here. There's a small opening down here. Before the trick, I put the stars right in here. I squeeze them with my finger. See? And nothing seems to fall out. But when I flip the cup and move my finger away, they spill out. Cool, right? Do you want to try it yourself?
Now it's Booba's turn to do the magic trick.
Oh, wow. You look like a real wizard, Booba.
Booba does look confident. But can he do magic tricks like an actual wizard? But where are the stars?
Don't get upset, Booba. Try again.
Don't give up, Booba. Did it work this time?
Booba, is that candy? Booba, maybe there are more candies inside. Let's check it out. Unbelievable! Booba, your trick turned out really tasty. High five.
That was a great magic trick. Here comes Booba. I wonder what magic trick we'll see today.
Welcome, Booba, to my wonderful magic show. Today, I will show you an amazing trick. Look, this is just an ordinary rope.
Silly Booba, what are you doing?
And this is also an ordinary bottle. But everything will change when I put the rope inside. Rex, Max, Vex, ba, boom, boom!
Oh, how does she do that?
See, look. It doesn't fall off. Amazing, right? And now it gets even better. Want to know the secret, Booba?
Oh, do tell.
You'd be surprised, but the secret is this little ball. Before the trick, I put the ball in the bottle. And when I put the rope in and turn the bottle upside down, it falls down and covers the bottle lid. So there's no way the rope can fall off. And when I turn the bottle back up, it falls to the bottom, and I can easily pull the rope out. It's simple, right? And it looks like real magic. Want to try it yourself?
Now it's Booba's turn to do the magic trick.
Wow, Booba, you look super sparkly.
That's a big bottle, Booba.
It's just a rope.
Did you do it?
Booba, try again. Don't worry, remember what I told you. It'll work.
Try again, Booba.
Oh, Booba, you did it! Good job!
Well done, Booba.
Wow, Booba, how much rope you put in there?
That's a very long rope, Booba.
Wowza.
That was a great magic trick.
You're a real wizard, Booba.